Oh, she is gorgeous.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Mic check, 1 2 1 2 big. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Synthetic Sundays. You see I'm back with a tan. I went on vacation to Miami, me and my husband. I've also vlogged it. Y'all get to see me and my husband getting down. Anyway, the wig that was sent to me today is from Samsbeauty.com. Now, Samsbeauty.com is an online beauty supply store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy all types of things from there. It's been a while since I've worked with them, and I am so happy to be back. I love this company. They have great items, and one of the items that they have sent to me is this wig right here. This is the Empress lace wig, 100% premium fiber lace front edge. This one has a natural center part, and it's the wig Amani with an A. Homegirl is gorgeous down in this photo. You hear me? So this is the gorgeous, beautiful, oh my God, she is a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Now this color is a 1B, and you see these, like, it looks like a braid out, like a fresh braid out wave to me. On the back of the box here, it shows that you can actually cut the middle, so you can make this a U-Part wig as well. That's not what I'll be doing because we don't have time to be dealing with our natural hair today. You can see where you could cut it, but it's lace in the part and then lace on the little front area. As far as the cap, it has like a vented cap, so you can stick your fingers through so it breathes, and we need that for the summertime. We don't need our scalps to be sweating and stinking and whatnot. It comes with one comb in the back and the very necessary adjustable straps for people with tiny heads. So let's go ahead and just try on the wig. I want to see what she's looking like. Back to old school, this wig grip. There's a low population of edges on my forehead, so I keep this on so my wig doesn't tug at the front of my head. I love this wig grip. Try on this wig. Oh, this is gorgeous. Sensationnel. Oh, she's warm and cozy. She feels like a mink. I pop this on, homegirl, here, and we'll get to styling, and then I'll be back. Ooh. So we're going to start off by cutting off the lace, as we always do. Just take your time so you don't end up chopping off your edges, girl. So now we're just going to go ahead and use some Pro Conceal Concealer. I use the color Fawn just to go ahead and make that scalp look more of a skin tone sort of color. So now I'm going to just place it on slowly and carefully, as you see, just to make sure she sticks to my head. The lace is not super soft, so just be careful. And in order to widen this part, I'm just parting a little bit of the hair in the lace, and I'm just going to pluck it away just to widen the part and make it look a little bit more natural. But on camera, it looks fine, so you may not have to pluck it, but I just like to widen it up just a little bit. I lost the footage of me actually using a foundation to blend in that hairline, so I use the Amani foundation to make it look more natural, and that's it. So I don't know if there's any words to be said, but this wig is perfection. Okay, so this is the final look on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig. I'm giving y'all Diana Ross. I'm giving y'all like summer Braidout. I probably picked it out a little bit too much at the bottom here. Let me actually show you what it looks like in the back. So this unit fluffs out. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So unless you want her to be huge, try not to run your fingers through it, because if you run your fingers through it, if you fluff at it a little bit, she gets bigger and bigger. She gets huge. Now, as far as the softness, the hair is super, super soft. So if you guys have any questions about this wig, please leave them down below. I'll leave a link for this wig, as well as samsbeauty.com down below as well. Y'all subscribe, okay? I don't know if you're not gonna subscribe for my personality, subscribe for the wig, girl. I'm coming through with all types of wigs. And if you like the wig, hit the thumbs up button. Interact with me, let's chat or whatever. But if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.